Hey guys, and welcome back. Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Jacz if you're new here, and today's video is going to be on this eyeshadow look that I have on. So if you're interested on how I recreated this eyeshadow look, then keep on watching. Okay, so we're gonna recreate this eye look right here. I already did my left eye. Time to do the right one. And yeah, so I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill. I'm gonna be using the Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette, the first one that she came out with. And my brush is all on the palette, but this is what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm talking about that one. And I use a lot of brushes. I'm gonna have the shade names on the screen. I'll just write them down because they're behind the palette and I don't want to keep picking up the palette and all that. So I'll put the shade like name around here somewhere. So I'm using the first shade. I'm gonna go ahead and place it. Okay, I have hooded eyes, so I'm kind of just gonna make a crease where I think I'm going to make my crease at. So I'm gonna kind of put it up here. Because see like how this one is. So we're gonna just add it like that. And I'm using this M.F.E.O brush. It's the M.F.E.O. It's from their from their Pride collection. See, this one's the orange one. But, yeah. So I'm gonna add it up here, and then it looks ugly. We're gonna get a blending brush. It's a M.F.E.O brush as well, but it doesn't have a number or anything like that. But I'm using this one right here, and I'm just going to blend it. So what you could do is kind of just clean off the brush. I'm just wiping it on a towel and going on to the next shade, and we're just gonna blend it with the shadow. We're gonna go on top. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and cut the crease. I'm using it's another M.F.E.O brush. It's just like a little flat one. I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star concealer and the shade C14. Okay, so what I do, because I have hooded eyes, is I just add some concealer right here. I'm pretty sure everyone does this, but and I just like look up. Okay, see how I had like made a little line right there? Add a bit more. Okay, there, made it a little bit thicker so it'll be easier. Okay, so what you could do is just like start off from the inner corner and just connect the line that we just made. And definitely I need more concealer. I like to add less concealer because you can obviously just add more, but if you add a lot, you know, and you feel like it's just too much, then it's gonna be harder to take it off. Then just add more. Okay. So what you could do is just like, see, I added a little bit too much, but we're just gonna pat it now. And you could just pat where you made your line, because that also makes it dry quicker. So just go ahead and pat it. Okay, and we're doing a half cut crease. Okay, so we're just gonna pat it at the end right here, because this is where we're stopping. And if you feel like the concealer is not fully like, how do I say it, like sharp and stuff like that, I kind of found something I like. Okay, so for an example right here, it's not that sharp, and like the beginning, I'm trying to pat it, but it doesn't look as sharp, but it's okay because I do something that I just really like how it comes out. So okay, so we have the concealer, we did our half cut crease. Okay, now you can just get a flat brush. I have a bigger flat brush than this little one, but it's dirty right now, so I'm just using this little one that I have. And like I said, I'll put the shade over here. Just go ahead and, I don't even know what this brush is, to be honest with you. So it's just a little one that I have. Dip it in our next shade, and we're just going to pat it on the concealer. Ooh, is that the right one? Okay, I added a little bit too much, which probably looks really dark, but you kind of just spread it out. Okay, now the next step is getting a brush out like this. I guess you say this is like a flat brush. Here, okay, it's a Morphine. I don't even know the number. Like I said, this one doesn't have numbers on it. We're gonna get one like this. We're gonna add it to our outer lid right here. Okay, and this is where you can pat it on to make it look really dark. We're gonna blend it, so it's okay if it looks, well, it's okay if it looks like this right now, because like I said, we're gonna blend it. See how this one is? So that's what we're gonna do. And then when you get more into the concealer, you can pat it. You wanna make sure it's like the same distance from distance. You wanna make sure it's like as the same as this. Okay, you don't wanna go too in. So once you kind of like patted it there, you're gonna have like a little bit left over on your brush, of course. So you can just kind of do like I don't know if that makes sense, like this flicking motion. You're gonna have like the ombre effect, like over here, you know, because it's lighter, and then yeah. And there we have a little ombre, little okay, so now we're gonna go back into a different blending brush, because we don't want to get the other one that we use, because we don't want to like get it dirty. So you're just gonna blend it out. So this one is a bit darker, so we should add a bit more color. So we're gonna get our other blending brush that we were using in the beginning, and we're gonna get a little bit of the first shade that we went in with. Okay, and we're gonna just blend it so it could be, so you get more, obviously, more pigment. Just a little bit more, and like flick it, and there it goes. It got darker. So we're mixing the shades in. We're gonna clean the brush a little bit, and we're gonna blend it up front. Okay, I'm not done yet. So get a little, not a little. Okay, I went in with this brush first. It's the Morphe M431. It's in the Pride collection as well. It's the green one. So we're gonna go in with that dark shade again. And where we made the crease, we're gonna apply it here and kind of just go back and forth, and then go down like that. And I'm gonna go in with a different brush, and this is from Eco Tools. Okay, I don't know how I got this, but I love this brush so much. It's like the same brush that I was using kind of, but this one's smaller and like fluffier, I feel like. You guys can't even, yeah. So I like to use it and just like blend and blend. Okay. And then I'm gonna go back in with our blending brush, clean it a little bit. Just blend, 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 blend. Okay. This little brush right here in the dark shade and try to do that line. And fix it up a little bit. There you go. And we're basically done with the look. Yeah. I'm gonna be using the Ardell Wispies. I've been using those a lot, so I'm just gonna pop those on today. And I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation. And then I'll be back. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope it was helpful to you. And yeah, so that's it. If you liked it, then subscribe. Like. And that's it. Okay, so thanks for watching.